a large acquisition, if it did make sense and if all the parties were aligned on it, we could, in theory. We have a few billion on our balance sheet right now. We are profitable. We are able to further capitalize if we need to.
Sam Bankman-Fried, founder of FTX Exchange, how he is saving the crypto industry by becoming a savior for the sinking ships, and why he is known as the most generous and smart investor. FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried spoke in an interview where he stated that his firm has over $2 billion to use for crypto industry deals. He stated that the worst phase of the liquidity crisis has passed away, likely, and that he still has funds to act as a last resort for the financially struggling firms. Bankman-Fried stated that the unstable firms can cause further instability in the crypto industry. In the recent weeks, we have witnessed Celsius halting its withdrawals, companies laying off, Voyager Digital filing for bankruptcy, and a lot more. These movements may be equally difficult for both investor and firm alike. Out of the boom, Bankman-Fried has emerged as a lifesaver for several crypto platforms. He has lent a helping hand to several unstable firms, and he is still trying to do, and said, "We are willing to do a somewhat bad deals here if that's what it takes to sort of stabilize things." There are companies that are basically too far gone and it's not practical to backstop them. We are starting to get a few more companies reaching out to us. Those firms are generally not in dire situation, though some small crypto exchanges may still fail. The industry has moved beyond other big shoes that have to drop, Bankman-Fried said in the interview.
I think that there are a lot of ways that our products can work together and can mesh together in a way that's sort of better than either would be independently. And I will also say that they've been working really productively with regulators on building out regulated yield products and licensed yield products, which we're excited about and excited that they've been doing it in a regulated way. I think that's a healthy way to do it, and I think that's going to serve them well, long term. And it's something that we're excited to work with as well.
Voyage Capital was financially affected by the exposure of Three Arrow Capitals. Bankman-Fried's trading firm Alameda Research assisted Voyager Digital with a $2,000 million cash and a stablecoin revolving credit facility. FTX also lent a $250 million revolving credit in June to Blockfi.
We are trying to find who were the responsible players who were building out, a good business, had a sustainable model, and could use short-term liquidity, and that could help protect customer funds. Fundamentally, built a real valuable business that I think had something real to offer to customers.
Sam Bankman-Fried is a generous and intelligent investor, as he sees a great opportunity to invest and be the part of great firms who are in trouble and trying to save the industry by using his profits to be the part of great lending firms and thinking about the future of crypto space. Comment down your views on that.